I've seen AEM projects where changing one line of HTML broke 3 JavaScript files, and no one knew why. The problem wasn't AEM, the problem was where logic lived. Today, I'll break down HTL versus JavaScript, not from documentation, but from how enterprise projects actually work. HTL looks simple, JavaScript looks powerful. So over time, we abuse both. That works until the project scales. Why devs get this wrong? HTL allows logic. JavaScript can manipulate DOM. Tutorials don't teach boundaries. AEM doesn't stop you from doing the wrong thing. That's where we start messing up things. It just lets you suffer later. HTL is nothing but server-side rendering plus structure. HTL should answer what should be rendered. In the given example, you can clearly distinguish between the good and bad HTL. If your HTL feels like Java, something is wrong. Why the left side code is bad? Cause business logic inside HTL. Hard to debug. Impossible to test properly. Why the right side code is good? Clean markup. No behavior. Semantic. Reusable. HTL defines what exists on the page. What are HTL responsibilities? Markup, data binding, conditional rendering, component composition.
JavaScript is nothing but client-side behavior and enhancement. JavaScript should answer, how does the UI behave? Good JS responsibilities, event handling, user interaction, state changes, progressive enhancement.
Now observe the slide carefully. Why the left side JS code is a good practice. In this code, JS reads DOM. No HTML creation. No HTL dependency. So in simple words, JS reacts to markup. It does not create structure. Why the right side JS code is not good. Here, JS owns markup. HTL becomes useless. Breaks SSR advantages. Fun fact. Now your front-end logic lives in two places and both hate each other. The golden rule is HTL creates the DOM. JavaScript enhances the DOM. If JS creates DOM, that's not good. If HTL controls behavior, that's not good as well. Once you violate this rule, bugs multiply quietly. Case 1. JS depends on HTML structure. HTML change breaks JS. No contract between layers. Case 2. HTL overconfiguration. Too many conditions. Authors confused. Devs scared to change. Enterprise frontend fails due to fear. Fear of touching fragile code. Why this scales? Clear contract. Loosely coupled. Safe refactoring. This is boring code, and boring code survives enterprise projects. Front-end architecture isn't about writing more code. It's about knowing where not to write code. If you master this separation, your AEM front-end becomes predictable, scalable, and calm. If you want front-end content that focuses on thinking, not just syntax, subscribe to DevArchitect.